Welcome, in front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to open the settings on our watch. To do it, press the upper button to wake up the screen on your watch, then press it again to open the menu, then scroll down through the menu, look for the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called, I believe it's called Preferences, and then tap on it. And here, find the option called Watch Language. And once you find it, tap on it, of course, to enter. Now, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can find the language you would like to use on your watch. And once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. And after a few seconds, the language should be applied. And then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the language, I think, at least I believe. So let's bring our phone right here, open the app on our phone that is paired with our watch. In the application, let's tap on device and then find the device settings and tap on it. And here, let's look for the device language. So it is here. I didn't lie. We can tap on device language, select the language we like, and it should be applied on our watch. Oh, we need to tap on OK. And then it will be applied on our watch. Like this. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.